Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring the wonderful world of flavors and the incredible benefits they offer. We're diving headfirst into one of the most aromatic and versatile spices out there, cloves. Not only do they add a punch of flavor to your dishes, but they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. So, grab a seat, and let's uncover the fascinating benefits of cloves that you probably didn't know about. 1. Bursting with flavor. Cloves are like little flavor bombs. Whether you're spicing up your holiday dishes, brewing some chai tea, or infusing your stews, cloves add a rich, spicy sweet complexity that takes your culinary creations to the next level. 2. Digestive dynamo. Cloves are your digestive system's best friend. They help ease indigestion, reduce bloating, and chase away those uncomfortable post-meal gas bubbles. Enjoy a cup of clove tea after a hearty meal for a digestive sigh of relief. 3. Oral health MVP. Who knew that cloves could be your dental superhero? Clove oil has natural antibacterial properties and can be a lifesaver for toothaches and gum pain. It's like a soothing hug for your mouth. 4. Antioxidant avengers. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants that fend off free radicals like knights in shining armor. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress, potentially contributing to overall health and longevity. 5. Soothe that sore throat. Feeling under the weather? Cloves' numbing effect and antibacterial powers can help soothe a sore throat. Pop a clove lozenge, or brew some clove tea with honey for some comforting relief. 6. Anti-inflammatory ace. Cloves might just be your secret weapon against inflammation. Whether it's muscle aches, joint pain, or general inflammation, cloves could offer some natural relief. 7. Respiratory rescue. Need some help clearing your airways? The aromatic goodness of cloves can assist in respiratory issues. Breathe in the steam from a clove-infused bowl of hot water, and feel your lungs say, "Thank you." Well, there you have the incredible and often underestimated benefits of cloves. So, the next time you toss a pinch of these aromatic gems into your cooking or reach for some clove tea, you'll know that you're not just tantalizing your taste buds. You're also giving your body a boost of health and wellness. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more spice-filled adventures, and share this with your fellow flavor enthusiasts. Until next time, stay spicy and stay healthy.